I want you to let me stay here tonight.
Have you any idea what you're saying?
Of course I have. Don't you see? Then everyone would think that... Well, anyway, there'd be such a scandal, I'd have to leave Ratchaport.
And you really want to acquire a tarnished reputation?
Yes. I don't care what they say about me.
That's all very well. But why, in the name of the million gods of India, you have to choose me?
Well, it shouldn't matter a bit to you. Your reputation is already so tarnished.
Tom tells me that you're leaving today.
Yes, by request.
It's probably just as well. I go through torture every moment because you're in danger here. Nothing must happen to you now. What's the matter?
Nothing. It just makes me so happy to hear you say that. I never thought when I first met you. It seemed so long ago. But you'd ever say anything like that to me.
I wouldn't have said it then.